When you're creating a one-link send, you're generating a single link that anyone with the link can access. Yes, anyone. Your coworker? Sure. Your weird neighbor who always asks if you have extra soup? If they have the link, yeah. But don't worry, we've got security options to make sure the wrong people don't just waltz in like they own the place. Here's how we keep things locked down. Expiration dates. The link just stops working after a set time. It's like Cinderella's carriage, but for security. Redemption limits. You control how many times it can be used. It's not an unlimited buffet situation here. Password protection. You need the password to get in. No password, no link for you. Email domain limiting. Only certain email domains can access. Your boss? Yes. A guy using coolguyalert@randomemail.biz email address? We're not doing that. Two-factor authentication, because sometimes one step isn't just enough to keep out the chaos. There's a ton of flexibility with one-links, whether it's for one person or thousands. You can make it as open or locked down as you need, but please, please use this power responsibly. We can't have another incident.